Picture this. You start a business, but every time it needs gas, supplies, a laptop, or funding, it reaches into your personal pocket. That is what happens when your company has no business credit. Business credit gives your company its own wallet and its own reputation, so it can start being judged as a business, not just as you. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Discover why your business needs its own wallet. Learn how the EIN protects your personal credit. Understand your business credit report card. See the benefits of borrowing on business strength. Find out how to turn your business into a sellable asset. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Business credit, a credit profile that belongs to your company instead of you personally. EIN, an employer identification number from the IRS. SSN, your social security number. Personal guarantee, a promise that you personally will pay if your business does not. Risk profile, the full story lenders use to decide how risky you or your business look. No personal guarantee, when a business gets approved without the owner personally promising to repay. Now let's jump in. Here is the simple version. Personal credit is tied to your social security number. Business credit is tied to your EIN. An EIN is an employer identification number from the IRS. Think of it like your company's school ID number. Business credit bureaus use it to track how your company pays bills, handles accounts, and builds trust. Most people know about personal FICO scores, but businesses have separate credit reports too. Companies like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business can track business payment history. It is like your company has its own report card. If it pays vendors on time, that story can help it look safer to lenders later. Here is the part that makes everything click. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. A credit report tells a story that banks, lenders, landlords, insurers, and other companies use to decide how risky someone looks. Business credit tells that same kind of story, but about the company instead of the owner. Business credit matters because personal credit has a ceiling. Your personal cards and loans are built for personal life, not big business growth. A business may need inventory, equipment, payroll, vehicles, or marketing. Strong business credit can raise the funding ceiling and help the company borrow based on its own strength, not only your personal score. At first, many lenders may ask for a personal guarantee. That means you personally promise to pay if the business does not. This is common, especially for newer businesses. But the long-term goal is different. The goal is to build enough business trust that over time, the company can get approved without always putting your personal credit on the line. Here is something many owners miss. Business credit can make your company more valuable. Think about buying a used car. You want proof it was cared for. A clean service history matters. In the same way, a company with organized accounts, payment history, and credit relationships can look stronger to buyers, partners, and lenders. Do not think of business credit like a magic trick. Think of it like cooking. You need the right ingredients in the right order. A real business setup, a business bank account, accounts that report, on-time payments, and clean records. 850 AI helps you understand the steps, spot weak areas, and build a smarter plan without guessing.